In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to maintain a consistent design through your site or simply want to replicate a structure that works, duplicating a page can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive right in and guide you through this quick and easy process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Open your browser and go to the Squarespace website. Look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. If you typically log in using your Google account, the next step is to click on the prompt that says Continue with Google. This can make the login process smoother and faster by using your existing credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Here, you'll want to click on the specific website that contains the page you wish to duplicate. This will bring you to your website's main dashboard, giving you access to all its configurations. Now, it's time to navigate to the Pages section. To do this, look for the Pages link in the navigation panel on the left side of your dashboard. Clicking on this link will display all the pages currently part of your website, arranged neatly in categories such as main navigation, footer, and others, depending on your site's layout. Next, identify the page you want to duplicate. Once you've found it, notice a gear icon or settings icon located beside the page's title. Go ahead and click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This gear icon acts as a key, providing you with various options for the page, and is an essential tool for managing your site's content. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled as Duplicate Page. Clicking on this option will initiate the page duplication process. It's essentially as straightforward as it sounds. This function will create an exact copy of the page, including all content, design elements, and settings. This duplicate page will appear immediately below the original in your list of pages. Finally, to confirm you want to go ahead with duplicating, hit the Confirm button. This gives Squarespace the green light to finalize the process, enabling you to further edit or reposition the new page as you deem necessary. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully duplicated a page in Squarespace. This method provides a practical way to replicate pages quickly, ensuring your website maintains a uniform look and feel without needing to start from scratch each time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your Squarespace experience.